Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the April 2023 fruit challenge that I hosted here on my channel. I would like to just take a minute and thank Sharon from Cheap to Chic, and I will list her down below, for being my first guest designer for the April challenge. Sharon, thank you so much for your amazing project and all of your support. I appreciate your friendship. I would also like to thank the 15 people that entered my first ever challenge. I had so much fun looking at all of the projects that everyone created. It was such an exciting time to be tagged and see all of these fun fruit themed projects. Most of you know that creating fruit projects is probably one of my most favorite things to do. So I had so much fun. You are all amazing crafters, and I thank you all so much. Thank you everyone who has been supporting my small business journey. I appreciate it so much. I am being tagged in videos where you're using the dewdrops, and it is so exciting to see something that you created on someone else's project. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. I appreciate it so much, and I am so excited for this month's challenge, which is to use a flower. And I have had some questions. You do not have to use dewdrops to enter. You do not even have to be a paper crafter. If you would like to show me flowers from your garden, on your kitchen table, it's totally open, and it's just to show support for each other. Any of those ideas can be entered. What I'm going to do is, these are the 15 entries. This is the prize for the April fruit challenge. It's a bag of my, I think this was my ginger pastel Christmas colors. And that's going to be the prize. And the prize is for US only. I have sent some to Canada. We're doing a trial to see how long it will take, how much it costs. So I will let you know if I'm able to open this up to Canada in the future. Let's see, what I've done is I've just gone on the random.org. We have 15 entries. So let's see, I'm going to put in 1 to 15. And make sure this is totally in focus. And we're going to hit generate. And the result is number 3. And that is Diana from Diana Loves Colors. Diana, congratulations. You are the winner for my April 2023 fruit theme challenge. Please leave a comment down below letting me know that you've seen that you're a winner. I will link here for the open May challenge that's going on. Plenty of time to enter your flower entry. May's prize is a similar bag of dewdrops. Thank you all so very much. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me in my craft room, and have a great day. Bye guys.